Hey y'all, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. Today I want to talk to you about an issue that I've been having with my mug heat press. Lately, I've been experiencing this fade at the very top and also the fade on the sides and the fade on the bottom with my latte mugs and my standard 11-ounce mugs. You can see that at the very bottom, I got a fade here, and at the very top, I got a massive fade right there. I searched around on YouTube, searched around the internet, but I couldn't find anybody doing a video or a tutorial resolving this type of issue. So I thought I'd throw a quick video out there just in case you're having the same similar issues, and that this will be able to help you troubleshoot and go and get your business back up and running. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the mug using an application called Creative Studio. I'm going to print it off my sublimation printer, which is a Sawgrass SG400, and then I'm going to press it on my TransPro mug heat press. So if you want the full benefit to this tutorial, stick around to the very end, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started, and thanks for watching.
Take it to the next level.
Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and make the mug first, and then we'll go ahead and place it on the heat press. So we'll get started. I'm going to just do something simple real quick. So I want to get an image that's going to fill the cup, and then I want to also try to make it a little presentable since I'm going to have this cup with me in my house. So let's do, I'm going to go to elements here, and I'm going to go to backgrounds. If you don't have Creative Studio, it's a free software that comes with Sawgrass, with your Sawgrass purchase, your sublimation Sawgrass purchase, okay? And this is a cool program, and it's got a lot of features on here that can help you drive sales for your business. So I'm gonna look for, let's look for a holiday here. Let's go to backgrounds, go to holiday, and I'm gonna choose these hearts. And oh, before I do that, I need to get my mug. So we're gonna do an 11-ounce mug. So let's go back, let's go ahead and I'm gonna bring the hearts. Well, before I do that, I want to scale the background color. So I'm gonna scale it here. Wrong one. Let's do this. Alright, and then I can go ahead and scale the background. Okay. Alright, now I'll just add some text in here. Go back to background. Elements. We'll do some quotes. You can see that they have a variety of quotes that you can pick from. Alright, we'll do this one, grateful and blessed. Okay, we'll just scale this down a little bit, and we'll bring it right here to the corner, and we'll go ahead and duplicate it. Alright, and now we're just going to fill it in with white. And let's go ahead and print this. We're going to go ahead and place the image on this 11-ounce mug. Now, just keep in mind, if you're looking at this and you're interested in learning about heat pressing mugs and what possibly are the problems, the issues that you can have, just want to let you know, you can't just pick up a regular mug at a store and sublimate it. The mugs have to have a special coating on the top, I mean all around the whole cup, in order for the sublimation to contract with the mug and be able to print and stay on the mug. And where I get my mugs, I'll leave the link down below, but I purchased them off of ProWorldInc.com. and that's where I get my mugs. Okay, so I got the image, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. We'll go ahead and start the mug press. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it real quick. Alright, so I got my image here. And we're gonna need some heat resistant tape. Now what I think I'm gonna do to solve this problem is I'm just gonna take this up a notch right there. Okay, I'm gonna do it over the cup. So so I'm just gonna place the mug right here, and we're gonna go ahead and make sure that the image is all the way hanging out from the base. All right, I'm gonna place the heat resistant tape here. Okay, I'm gonna take my other heat resistant tape there and then place it right there. Okay, so now I have an overlap here. Okay, and I have an overlap on the bottom. All right, let's see if that works. All right, let's turn on the mug press. And we're gonna put this at 400 degrees and 240 seconds. And this is a Transpro 3-in-1 mug heat press. It's interchangeable with two other elements. One is for a latte and the other one is for a larger cup size like that. And we'll go ahead and put this here. We're going to set the time. We'll let that heat up and we'll be right back. All right, looks like the mug press is ready to go. Everything's set. Let's go ahead and slip in the mug. You remember I got it overlapped on each side. So let's see if this works, guys. Go ahead and put the mug in here, and we're gonna close it up. It's nice and snug, and we'll go ahead and press the button and get it started. So in order for me to peel this off, I'm gonna use these gloves, and I'm also gonna use my beater to help me remove the heat resistant tape. Okay. We got about 60 seconds left, and we're just about done. All right, we're done. Let's go and press this, shut it off, and let's go and remove this. Take this out. And it's extremely hot. I'm going to shut this off for right now. We're going to set this down. Position the. All right. Okay. So now let's go ahead and remove this. Hopefully, this will solve the problem. I'm really hoping it will. And it worked, guys. It worked. You have to overlap your print in order for it to fold over the mug cover correctly. Okay? So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment. If you got any other questions, feel free to email me at rockandprint7@yahoo.com. Be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. With that, we'll see you guys back next week. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay tuned for my next video, and peace.